Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a minimum cart value requirement for your Shopify store. So, for example, you need customer should purchase a minimum of X amount, then only you need to give the checkout for that particular customer. So for this, I'm using the next minimum order quantity app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link of this app in the description of this video. After installing the app, you can come to the app section. So this is the home screen of the app. So you can see the cart limit. Click on this configure button. Then you are going to create a new rule. So we are giving a rule name minimum should be, so my currency is on rupees. I'm just giving 200 rupees, right? You can give any amount, the conversions or anything is doesn't matter. Then after this, can click on the cart. So we're setting minimum amount. So cart minimum amount, and here you can give 200, right? And automated messages generated. Cart must at least 200 to proceed the checkout. You can also give your custom message. So if you need to give a dollar symbol for dollars, for euros, you can give euro symbol in your custom one. So you can use this section. I'm not using that right away. I'm just making it saved. So you're ready to go. That's it. Now we are just testing how it's working. So I'm just removing the items and no items on the cart, trying to add something below 200. I have this only this is the only item which is below 200. I'm trying to check out. Then in checkout you can see the message your cart total must be at least 200. Right now it's only 29, right? So we are just going back and we are adding something which is about 200. I'm adding to cart. I'm trying to check out. So you can see now there is no limit issues. So you can easily purchase the amount, which is you can easily make a minimum purchase or minimum cart value requirement for your Shopify store easily using the next minimum order quantity app. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.